What is up, guys? I'm the Unnamed Review Guy, and today we're taking a look at the Tudia Merge case for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So since I have checked out the last Tudia case that I've checked out, Tudia has very much changed their packaging, and I really like it this new way. On the back here, they talk about their dual layer design, their clicky buttons. We all know they've been watching these YouTubers' videos, and their military standard drop test rating. So, like I said, this is the Tudia Merge case in the metallic silver color. Pull this out here, and pull this out here, and we see the Merge case. Nice. Looks good. I really like the contrast. Let's pull out the Note 10 here and take it out of its case it's currently in. We have a Extreme Skins skin on the back here. That video will be coming very soon, so stay tuned. And then we have the Tudia Merge case in all of its glory. Now let's check out some of the features within the Tudia Merge case. So they say clicky buttons. We are going to be making sure of that. Yeah, those things are clicky. So you got the clicky buttons. That's a check. We do not have a lip around the screen, I don't think, at least. Unless the screen protector is interfering. There is not a lip around the screen to protect the screen when put down, face down on a table. I don't think there is, at least. Maybe the screen protector is interfering, I'm not exactly sure. But it does not look like there's a lip around the screen to protect the phone when it's put down on a table. That's kind of a disappointment in my opinion, but still, yeah, a lot of cases have that, so it's kind of a disappointment in my opinion to not have a lip around the screen. Let's continue with the review though. We have the cutouts for everything look to be aligned properly. We don't see any misalignments here, which is good. You can pull the S Pen out easily, which is definitely also a pro to have, and everything seems else to look good with this case. It should work with a charging stand if you use one. It's important to also remember. So, Tudia Merge case. I think it looks nice. It has a nice matte finish here with the kind of like rubberized finish. It does kind of fit in with the Aurora Glow color effect on the back. It would be kind of cool if Tudia could have put a similar glow-like pattern on this part of the case. Maybe something for them to think about in a future case, but this looks good and I think I can recommend it. I'm a little saddened by the fact that there is no lip around the screen, so be careful when putting the phone screen down when you're using this case, but otherwise I can definitely recommend it, and it also works perfectly with the Whitestone Dome screen protector, also a video I'll have coming soon if it's not up prior to this video being launched. Thanks guys for watching. Unnamed Review, out.